Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Kingston Properties says it is looking to monetize more assets in a bid to streamline operations. Now, CEO of Kingston Properties, Kevin Richards, says in addition to other projects already exited, the company is looking to sell property in New Kingston.
Hopefully that will close in short order. We are, as we've mentioned before, we've monetized those condos that we have in Florida, and there are other assets that we're looking to monetize as well. So we're going to be shifting our strategy more towards a more dynamic one where, that would mean the reduction in our holding period. Typically, we'll hold a property for 5 to 7 years, but there are others that we're going to be just in them for a shorter period of time. So we're going to be having a more dynamic strategy. So we may buy something, fix it up and sell it, whereas in the past we probably would have bought it, fixed it up and rented it for a long lease.
Mr. Richards also says that KP is looking at more construction opportunities based on current market trends.
So we look at more immediate cash flow generating opportunities, and we look at some select greenfield opportunities. Again, we've seen where the demand is, primarily in warehouse and flex space. So we are looking at some of those opportunities in Jamaica and in the Cayman Islands. And, we'll continue to spread our wings as far as possible. Europe is somewhere that we've been sort of eyeing for a little bit of time now.
Listed education firm Edufocal is set to expand to the African continent. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the company says it's registered Edufocal Africa Incorporated in Delaware, USA. Edufocal Nigeria Limited has also been registered. The company says it plans to pursue short and medium-term opportunities in Africa, especially in Lagos in Nigeria. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.02. $117.93 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $196.61, while it's costing $172.20 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 518 points today, while the junior market index fell by 52 points. Among the 42 winners were Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Epley, Medical Disposables and Supplies, JMMB Group's 6% US dollar shares, and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. The 56 losers include Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Pulse Investments, Blue Power Group and JMMB Group 7.25% shares. 17 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.